Today, we are going to provide a brief review of how to use the emergency call boxes. These call boxes are located on bright yellow poles with a large blue light at the top. These security tools are meant to act as a safety precaution, creating a highly visible and accessible way to reach campus police in the event of an emergency. Oh, look, there's one right there.
Oh, no, Canine Freya, that's not how you use the emergency call box.
So, in the event of an emergency, open the lid of the emergency call box, and you will see a large, round, red button. Press that button, and you'll hear the phone dial. Then, the voice of a Stockton Police Department communications operator will tell you that you have reached 911.
911, where is your emergency?
When this happens, speak clearly and tell the operator about the emergency. If possible, provide your name and stay on the line until advised to disconnect. You could also provide your location. But just so you know, the location of the call box will be displayed automatically to communications operators. Remember, campus safety is everyone's responsibility. So in case of an emergency, remain calm, remain aware, and contact the police department immediately.